Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Chadi. More birthday to come. Stay strong and good health. Ingat lagi sa trabaho. Sana tumagal ang inyong relasyon ni Sisi Labshi. At panghabang buhay na siyang makasama mo. Siya na talaga yung forever mo. Ayan, thank you at sa tagal ng nagsama natin dito sa imo. Ngayon ka lang talaga nagkaroon ng ganitong celebration. Ayan, sana stay strong sa inyong relasyon. Ingat lagi sa trabaho. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong karawan mong to. God bless you. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hi, my loves. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Wish ko lang sana bigyan ka pa ni Bert ng maraming birthday at laging ligtas. Sana makakamit ka. Always pray. Yun lang. Thank you so much. I love you.
Hello, good evening po sa lahat. Ay, Chadi, hello Chadi, ng napakasarap. Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana marami pang birthday na darating sa buhay mo. At sana kayo na ni Sisi Labs. Kayo na talaga yung tinadhana. Kung anumang trials na darating sa buhay, be strong lang. Lahat yan malalagpasan. Diba? At ingat lagi dyan, lalo na sa work mo. God bless. Alam mo mga problema nyo, nandito lang kami sa tambahay ni Pangit. Salamat. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ayan, magandang gabi sa lahat. Happy birthday po, Kuya Chadi. Or birthdays to come. Your deals po always. Sana po maraming pang birthday ang dumating sa inyo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
palagi. Stay strong lang kayong dalawa ni She Loves. Happy kami para sa'yo. More birthdays to come. Yun lang.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Hello, Chadi. Happy birthday. Wish ko is good health lang. And, ano pa ba? Good health. Sana mag-ingat ka dyan palagi. And more years to come. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.